BrainMeld, multi-agent organizational knowledge fusion. Today, every company is developing AI agents, but those agents are learning in isolation. BrainMeld changes that by fusing individual agent intelligence into a single organizational truth. Here's the problem. As AI agents become standard tools, every team member is building their own knowledge base and their own black box. Agent A learns the budget is $500,000. Agent B learns it is $750,000, and nobody knows which one is correct. Organizational knowledge silos multiply, and there's no system to resolve the disagreements. So we asked, what if your team's collective intelligence could work for you, not against you? What if instead of fragmentation, you get convergence? That's the vision behind BrainMeld. Meld is a play on the word convergence. Where agents converge, truth emerges. BrainMeld fuses knowledge from multiple AI agents into a single organizational truth through intelligent conflict resolution. Agent vaults feed into BrainMeld, conflicts get resolved, and what emerges is a single, reliable source of truth for the entire organization. How it works? 3 tiers. First, quorum voting. When 3 or more agents agree, the majority wins automatically. That resolves 70 to 80% of conflicts right out the gate. Second, weighted trust. Agents build domain-specific accuracy over time. That handles another 15 to 20%. Third, or for the very edge cases, AI proposes a synthesis and a human approves. Simple, smart, scalable. We call it the Quorum. Inspired by how neurons reach consensus through ensemble voting, Hebbian learning, pattern separation, synaptic pruning, these are neuroscience principles applied to organizational knowledge. The result? A system that learns, adapts, and gets smarter over time. 3 key workflows power BrainMeld. First, reverse get sync. Agents push to a shared vault, conflicts are auto-detected, and living standards emerge. Second, provenance tracking. Every claim has a source, the sense is preserved, and you get a full audit trail. I really love that part. I want that audit trail. I want to see what the disagreements are, just as much as I want to see what the agreements are. Third, the knowledge graph. Cross-vault connections that surface insights and map expertise across your organization. Once you start sharing your data together, you're never going to know where it's going to lead to. Here's the roadmap. We're shipping an MVP in 8 weeks. Get-based syncs, conflict detection, quorum voting, and an Obsidian plugin. Well, week 16, we have the trust system, AI attrition, the knowledge graph, and a web dashboard. 16 weeks to private beta, fast, focused, and proven tech. We're starting small, and we're thinking big. We're starting with systems and processes, and we'll eventually get to systems and services. Right now, we're focusing on the process, and we need your help. Why are we doing this now? It's because AI agent adoption is exploding. We've all heard of Claudebot, aka OpenClaw, and all the craziness it's caused over the last couple of weeks. This is one reason we've spurred this along. Every company with multiple agents will need this. And right now, we have 0 direct competitors that I'm aware of. This is a greenfield market. The timing is perfect. A lot of people have talked about this, but how are you actually going to implement this? And I think with us, we figured out that it's all process. You set the processes right, you train the models on what to do, and then over time, you build trust with the models build trust with you, and you harken back to the days of SQL clustering. You use a quorum to decide. So what am I asking from you? Private beta launches in Q2 2026. If you're a team deploying multiple AI agents in finance, consulting, tech, or legal, anything, if you work with a team and you're working with agents, we want to hear from you. Join the waitlist at brainmeld.io. This is built for everyone, but the world we know this can really help is the world we specialize in, which is mid-market and small business. So small teams, how best can they utilize this to punch above their weight class? This is built for the mid-market B2B. 10 to 1,000 employees. We're looking for early adopters who see the future. Do you have people that you know are smart within your organization that which you could share data with? We want to help you unlock your full potential. Where agents converge, truth emerges. This is multi-agent knowledge fusion for the AI-first organization. Learn more at brainmeld.io. Why do I think this needs to get done? Last weekend, I posted about the early ideas for this on LinkedIn, and I had my most successful post of all time. To me, that was validation that I needed to hurry up and get this done. I've had this idea for years. How do we share information in a way that's automatically converged? Now I think the technology is there to make this happen. Most importantly, it's there to help us build a platform quickly and rapidly iterate with the feedback from individuals like you. So if you're interested in learning more, head to brainmeld.io or reach out to me, Brad Grou, BradGrous, on Twitter or LinkedIn. If you come to the website, you can sign up for early access or you can apply to become a design partner. And what is a design partner? The design partner is a group of small teams that we can work with to help build out this idea. So you'll get access to a platform where you and your team can share. So I encourage you to head to brainmeld.io. If you'd like to sign up, scroll on down to the early access area, and there's a form you can fill out. And once you fill out the form, you can actually meet with us and have a conversation if you'd like to be one of the design partners. If you just want to be on the wait list and learn about whenever it's going to come out, go ahead and do that as well. I thank you again for your time. We truly believe at DigitalMeld that technology is a great equalizer, and the rise of agentic AI in the last few weeks and the crazy things that people are doing to that is proof to that claim. You can do this, we can do this. Until then, we hope you take a look at brainmeld.io and hope to chat with you soon. Have a great one.